Still wrestling with a heavy, unmanageable wood dock every single spring? It's time to upgrade your lake life with a premium Candock Modular Floating System. These engineered high-density resin cubes lock together to give you a custom layout that requires absolutely zero maintenance all season long. And if you've got watercraft, you need to see the JetRoll. It's the ultimate drive-on PWC lift. It connects seamlessly to your Candock system, using a heavy-duty foam-filled design for maximum buoyancy and stability. With smooth, high-quality rollers, it protects your hull from wear and tear, keeping your ride high, dry, and completely out of the water when you're not using it. When you're ready to ride, just push off and go. No cranking manual lifts, no wrestling with trailers. Your custom Candock system is in stock and ready for pickup. CSquared Hardware, your exclusive Saskatchewan distributor for Candock. See us in Silton or at www.c2sk.ca.